Hello, welcome back to Color and Canvas. Today we are going to be doing what I like to call a lake pour. Not to be confused with a puddle pour, which is a technique where you pour puddles of paint. We are going to actually create a lake from this pour. And so when I say a lake, this is what I mean. See this? Look how pretty. I was very happy with this one. But you see, there is a lake, and it is surrounded by all this beautiful stuff that's going on. So that's what we're going to try and do today. All right, we are starting with a 14-inch canvas, pins to hold it up, and tape to keep the edges clean. All right, so there we are. The paints that we're using are all mixed with Floetrol, blue, and water. We will be using white, red, tiny bit of green, some turquoise, purple, blue, and gold. That's going to be what goes into our cup, and they're all just kind of a medium consistency of paint. Alright, so I'm going to put a puddle of white right into the center here to pour into. And then we have more that's going to go around the edges as our flow extender. So the key to this pour, if it turns out that is that we start with a ring pour and then we switch to a straight pour. If I can get this cup pointed a little bit, it would be better if it had a spout, but we're just going to go ahead and pour right into that puddle, and here we go. Ring pour. Ring pour until you get about half your cup done. Okay, and I'm going to switch directions. And straight pour. And I'm going completely straight with a little bit of jiggle. And see all that blue right in the middle? That's hopefully going to be our lake. There's a little bit of a jiggle here. Get a little details around our lake. Not moving the cup around too much, but just a bit. Maybe we'll get some nice details into our lake. Now we're nearly done. So I'm going to lift up the cup and grab it with your finger so you don't drip. And ooh, that's an interesting lake. I'm not real thrilled with that part though. I moved my cup too much. Too much. So let's see whether we can do anything with that yet. Let's see. Aha. We are completely changing it before we even tilt. And that's okay, you can do that. You can absolutely do that. But there is some really nice stuff going on here. It's going to be a heck of a lake. The goal is to pour off this stuff and keep that stuff. That's our goal. So let's put a bit more paint down around the edges. Let's torch out some of those air bubbles first. There's a few in there. I can see them. All right, so here we go. I'm actually going to start with this edge. We're just going to move the paint around a little bit in a circle first, just to stretch it out towards the corners a little. And then we'll pick a corner to pour off, but we'll kind of go to a little closer to all the edges before we pick one. So here we go. We are going to pour off in this direction first. Get that corner done. And then we'll do the opposite first. Corner down, center your lake. Yeah, a little bit thinner paint might have been better, but this is what we have to work with right now, so we'll go with it. We'll get that corner done. Just to the corner, we don't want to pour off too much. Oops, we've lost a corner of our lake. See that? Well, we have a little bit. The lake is not going to be centered. It's going to kind of be off to the side. Let's get some of that poured off, and then we'll deal with this white corner. Center this. Maybe we'll leave it. Put it down and see where we're at. I'm going to wipe off my gloves because I'm covered in paint and we don't want to drip paint into our composition. Let's see. Let's tilt a bit. Let's get some of that corner off. There's not a lot of paint left on here, so just have to see how we can do. Actually, I like it. That was the right thing to do. Grooviness. Okay, that's it. It's done. That's our lake. We have our beautiful blue lake. We have all this wonderful greenery, which isn't greenery, it's colory. But I like it. It's all this, you know, bright plant life. And see all the bubbles in the paint? Isn't that absolutely wonderful? And look, you can even see ripples in the water. I love it. I love it. And look at all the bubbles. Oh gosh. Not bubbles. Bubbles visually, not air bubbles. All those cells are popping up. It's making it look really, really alive. I like it. Well, I hope you enjoyed our lake pour. I enjoyed doing it. I may go and do another one right now. I'm not so sure. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and share, and please paint something that is just for yourself. Have a great day. Bye-bye.